In this video, I will show you how to install Simple Trainer in GTA 5. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to install Simple Trainer, what you're going to want to do first is come across to this website here, which is gta5mods.com/scripts/simple-trainer-full-GTA, and then you want to put the letter V. So that's going to take you directly to the download page for the Simple Trainer, and all you want to do from here is basically click onto the download button at the top. So it's going to go ahead and download the current version of the Simple Trainer. So what you're going to do is be taken to a page like this, and again just go ahead and click the download button to start downloading this onto your device. Now once that's done, what you're going to want to do is open this folder up into your downloads. So this is actually a .rar file, so what you want to do is make sure you've got WinRAR to open this, and you can get that for free online. Now you can also use something called 7-zip, so it's completely up to you, but what you want to do is basically open up this archive and you're going to be presented with some files like this. Now what you want to do is actually open up your GTA 5 folder, and what you want to do is copy the .asi file into the GTA folder, and it's going to replace the file that's in there. You don't want to copy anything else. So you can see we got this .ini file. You don't need to worry about that. All you want to do is copy this .asi file. So once that's done, that's all ready to go, and you would have installed Simple Trainer on GTA 5. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and if it did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.